the hospital Googling, how do you get blood out of a mattress?
3, 2, 1,
So when he was about 9 or 10 months old, that's when he was basically diagnosed with hemophilia, but then like the next month diagnosed with an inhibitor. So they put a port in and we had to like keep the needle in the port because we were having to give him daily treatment. And he had gotten to where he was really hard to get to sleep at night. And so we would put him in our bed. And one evening he was in our bed and my husband had a work meeting. And so I was there alone and Hank had fallen asleep kind of on his stomach, but with his butt up in the air. And so I was thinking, I really need to check and see if like all of his dressing looks okay, but I hated to mess with him too much. So I kind of moved his shoulder a little bit. And as I lifted him up, I could see there was blood all the way down the front of his PJs. And I freaked out, obviously, called my husband. We get in the car to go to the hospital. My husband loves to tell the story about how we're at the hospital Googling, how do you get blood out of a mattress? And we're probably like flagged on some FBI list. We have other situations where that's happened also. And we're like, how do you get blood out of carpet? We're pretty much flagged on something.
We probably have a designated FBI agent at this point.